starting with using tape on her eyes. I'm creating a flawless base for her eye makeup. I'm using the Huda Remastered palette. I'm starting with the lightest color. I'm going to use these three colors in her crease. To the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm using this color right here called the Venetian Red. I'm going back to the Huda Remastered and I'm using Cocoa now. Picking up a darker brown from the Tarte's Pro palette, just adding it to the outer edge only. Using a brown from the Tarte's Pro palette. I'm doing the Halo Smoky Eye with a cut crease, not a full cut crease. I'm taking a plum pink from the Huda Desert Dust palette. So for the center of the lid, I've applied a color from the Huda Remastered palette. Love this palette, it's beautiful for all the pink shades. Just applying some shimmer by Inglot. spray, and then I topped it with the LC Glow Enhancer. I used the Hourglass primer, and now I'm topping up the Cover FX drops in shade Sunlight. Applied it on all the high points of her face, and I'm also going to add these a little bit to her collarbones. I'm going to be doing airbrush makeup on her using the Iwata machine. LA Girl Orange and Peach Corrector mixed. So I have used the Tarte Shape Tape in shade Light Medium for her. And I've used it liberally. I'm using the Iwata Neo Air airbrush system. So I always give airbrush time to settle down, and in the meantime I always finish the eyebrows. applying the Huda baking powder. I got some on my plate. I quite like the powder. If you're wondering if you should buy it, you must buy it. It's quite nice. Love the texture, very fine. Does not leave a cast on the skin, which is great. I still stick to manual techniques for the nose. I've had quite a few disasters trying to do airbrush nose contour. I'm using a blush by Me Cosmetics. They are from Bangkok. Smile. I'm going to leave their Instagram handle in the description box below. What beautiful blushers they have. Oh my god. Smile. This is what the packaging looks like, and it's super pigmented. I have all the colors as well. Smile. So yes, I am mixing my manual and airbrush techniques. Smile. However, I did prefer a airbrush contour because she has texture on her skin. I'm using lashes Adele from my collection. If you're looking at affordable good lashes, we have a page on Instagram called CS Essentials India. We are launching our website very soon. The style I'm using on her is Adele, and these are priced at 170 rupees. So for her lower lash line, I used the Huda Remastered palette. So ideally, if somebody asked me, I will say most of the colors I've used for this look are from the Huda. Of course, I used a few colors from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, Modern Renaissance as well.